To select entities in SketchUp with a better way, you will learn in this lesson more selecting techniques. With Select tool, you can click with left click on this edge to select it. If you click double click, you will select these two faces, which are connected with selected edge. So if we want to select these two faces, and instead select each face individually, double click on this edge to select both. When you select one entity and want to add other entities to this selection, you can hold Ctrl key and add more entities. Also, you can use previous techniques, dragging from right to left with holding Ctrl. To add it to selection, with Shift key you can add or subtract entities from the selection. For example, subtract this cube and add this sphere. By Ctrl and Shift you can subtract entities from selection. To subtract these cubes, hold Ctrl and Shift to subtract them like thus. But if we want to select everything except entities already selected, we will press Ctrl Shift I. All entities are selected except the previous selection, which are these spheres. To select none, press Ctrl T. To select all entities, press Ctrl A. Thus, you can select all entities in the project, or if is one opened group or component and want to select all entities in it, so press Ctrl A.